We are going to start with Canva. In Canva, we will need and download 3 things from Canva. The first thing we want to do is to download the green screen subscribe button. To do that, you can either click on this plus icon here, or you just come here and tap this place that says YouTube thumbnail. Why we are using YouTube thumbnails? Because we want to get the size right. So I will click on this YouTube thumbnail. Then coming down to element here, I will click on it. I will search for green screen subscribe button. I will choose this one. Then I will resize it. Then I will click on export to download it. Click on download. I will choose the highest quality, then download. The next thing to download is another green screen, this time not video. Right now this one is video, which is the animated button, but I don't want that again. I've already downloaded it. So I'll just delete this. Then I just need this background to change it to green, which is another green screen. This time it is in a picture form. Then I will tap on the background. I will just click on this color here. Then I will choose the green color. When I'm okay with that, I will export it. Come into this place here, export, download, leave it at PNG. Then I will click on download. Don't worry too much. You are going to see why we need these things later in this video. I have downloaded this picture right now. So I need another plain picture like this, but this time the one that has white color. So what I will do, I'll just delete this. Now this is white color. If I say let me go to export and then I click download, you see that Canva is telling me that your design is empty, that I can't download it. I can't download just a plain white design, but I need that white design. So what I will do, I will go back, I will come to elements, I will add the square shape, then I will resize it to the size. Then I will come here and change the color to white. Then I will click on export, download. Finally, I can now download the white background I'm actually looking for. I will click on download. The next thing I want to do is to take a screenshot of this my profile icon so that I can add it to the subscribe button. So I will just come over here, then screenshot, then I will resize it, then I will click here, this tick mark that says save. I'll click on it. So currently it has been saved to my phone folder. Now it is time to use CAPCUT and bring all the elements together. Next, let's create a new project by clicking here. Then I will go to the photo tab. I'll first of all import the green screen that I've downloaded. Remember, this is the picture format, not the video. And I'll click on add. The reason why I use a green screen as a background is that so that it will be easier to remove the background later on. Next, I'm going to overlay the white picture I have downloaded. So I will come to overlay, add overlay, go to photo. This time I will click on white. I will resize it to fit the screen. I will take it downward a little. The next thing I will do, I will click on add overlay again. This time I will import the profile picture that I have screenshotted, which is this. Now you can see that the profile picture, the background color of the profile picture is white, and that is the reason why I need another white color here. And that is why you see me import this white color here. You can see before my profile picture. So I will take my profile picture downward a little to remove this right up under. If you look at this edge, you see that the profile picture is not large enough to extend to this end here, and this side is not properly covered. It's not properly covered. That is the reason why I need this other white picture here. So I'll just tap on it, which is this. Tap on it, then I will raise it a little to cover it to be of the same size. Right? Hope you get it. So you can see the first picture is green. The second one is white, which is what I put first before I put my profile picture. I hope you are getting it. So the next thing I want to import is the animated subscribe button. Then I'll click on add overlay. This time I'll go to video tab because the animated subscribe button is a video. I'll click on it. Then I'll go to add. First of all, I want to remove the background of this animated subscribe button. I will go to remove BG. Go to chroma key. Then I will take this slider to somewhere here. I'll click on OK. So I will resize the subscribe button a little like this. Now, if you look very well, you see that the subscribe button video is longer than the rest other elements. So I will increase this one to this to make it equal. I will increase the rest other ones as well. Right now, you can see every line has been equaled. So I'm okay with this. Let me just play it to see how it looks like. This is amazing, right? So I will click on export. Then later I will still remove the background of this video. The final step is to add the subscribe button to our video. Next, let's add the subscribe button that we have just created to our video. So this is my video that I want to add the subscribe button to that I've already created. I will click on overlay, add overlay. This is the video. Click on it. This time I will go to remove BG, chroma key. I will take this to here. I will click the check mark. Right, you can see an amazing subscribe button, right? So I will just resize it to wherever I want. Then let me just place it here. Let's add some animations to make it look professional. Now let's add animation, in and out animation to make it look professional. So I will tap on the animated subscribe button again. Click on animation. Let's look for slide up animation. Then in the out animation, let's look for slide down. Slide down. Then click on the check mark here. Alright, so let's play everything to see how it works. That is amazing, right? So this is how you can create it absolutely for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And I will see you in the next one.